This is the era of artificial intelligence, AI. Everybody is using AI now. Yeah, so if you haven't started using AI, then you're the one left behind. People are using AI in their businesses. People are using AI in practically everything. I mean, today you go out there, people doing content in content creation, they use AI to draft their content. Some use AI for their businesses, and then you have AI picture photo generation that is going on everywhere on TikTok. Everyone is using Gemini, everyone is using Nano Banana. People are using AI to create content, doing videos, faceless videos, creating stories that other people love watching. Now that's the common thing now. The question is, do you know how to use AI? Because then sometimes it's not just knowing that, okay, I can use this particular tool to generate AI videos, or I can use this particular tool to do this for my business. Are you using it? Are you using it effectively? Are you using it properly? So now guys, in this video I want to show you guys some AI tools and how you can use it effectively for each business. First, I will start with Nano Banana and Gemini, and in this video I am going to use Nano Banana to build a whole brand, and my choice of brand here is an African fashion brand. So first, I am going to start with the logo. Let's assume that you're someone who just finished learning how to design from your boss, and you want to start a business on your own, and then you don't know how to go about this because you're not a visual person. Let's do this from start to finish. First, let's start with the logo. Let's move on to ChatGPT, and I tell ChatGPT what I want. So ChatGPT, mind you, in this situation, my prompt might be different from yours. So right now, ChatGPT is suggesting names to me. If I want to use my name or my family name as maybe something associated to this, I can always use that. Now, ChatGPT says I'm Amani West Kitengemus, Africa Essence. So I will use Gold Design if I was in that case. So what I'm choosing is Afrigold Design. So I love Afrigold Design. It's nice, somehow personal to me. I love the name. So I'm gonna go with the name Afrigold Design. What's the next step? To design a logo. So I asked ChatGPT the next prompt. I want to design a logo for the company. They're choosing name is Afri. So just a prompt that I can use on Gemini AI to design this logo for me. I want my logo to portray an African culture, visual identity. Choose unique fonts. and style. Now let's see how ChatGPT is going to say. ChatGPT gave me create a professional logo for AfriGold design. The brand focuses on Africa inspiring fashion and design dressing. So ChatGPT has given me all of these prompts. What do I need to do? All I need to do is to copy this into my Gemini. So like I said, this is completely AI. I'm using AI completely for this AI to generate something for your business. So we have this, and let's see what Gemini is going to give us. So this is what Gemini is giving me. Do I like this? It looks nice. That's if I want to mostly focus on, if these are my choices of colors. Now we could still work on colors. I love this, but I kind of don't like the fonts for designs. To change the font, maybe if I have a particular font I want, I will use it for it. But then, like I said, I'm not using my brain, so I just have to use everything AI, and this is what it gives me. So we can download this. Now, since I kind of like need and it's giving me a transparent version. It's giving me a transparent version that I can use for any other thing. So in this case, brand colors are gold and black. Those are my brand colors. The next thing that we have to do now is to use this logo and create a different brand identity. Now, when I'm talking about a brand identity, why don't we have maybe some print designs where we are going to use this brown and gold to like customize our brand. So I want to create a brand identity. So just the visuals, I have to prompt AI to generate, and let's see what it gives me. So now these are the things that will kind of like encompass your brand identity, your typography. After creating the logo, you need to know the typography system that you use. Design a typography set. So you need a typography set. The next thing, we need a color palette and texture for this brand. And the next thing, packaging mockups. We need that to showcase our brand. Social media identity. So design social media template for AfriGold. We need that. Brand mood board. So we need a brand mood board for AfriGold designs. So let's get into that and see what Gemini is going to give us. So excited about this. So let's start with this. Copy and paste. Guys, this is the second logo I had. I think I kind of love this one. I love this one better. So create a transparent version. So let's download this and this. So they gave me variety of anything I want. I could use this for my brand. Now I have this transparent, and also need a transparent version of this. So I could just like paste. Create a transparent version. And voila, we have the transparent version here. So I need to just download that and then, okay. What's the next thing? Let's see what ChatGPT. So ChatGPT said that the next thing would be color palette and texture. So prompt example, all I need to do is copy. So next is the color palette, and it's going to generate the color palettes that you use for this, which we are going to use for our brand. So guys, look at this. So this is the color palette. It looks so beautiful. Afrigo Designs. That is the color palette, and I totally love it. So all I need to do is to save it. Now and ask ChatGPT to create a typography system. Now this is it. This is the typography we can be using. The first one, the second one, the third one, or this, we will choose which typography we want. And I think that the first one is the best for me. Yeah. So now let's go into the next one with, typography. Yeah. So the next here is brand patterns and backgrounds. So we are going to generate that. Remember, I'm just copying and pasting. I have no time to use my mind for that. My brain to reason. So guys, here is a pattern. This is what AI gave me as a pattern, and it looks so good because with this it can blend with any African culture, be it Nigeria or whatever. This is so nice and I like it. So I'm just gonna save this, and the next is, so the next here is brand packaging mockups, and any other. So we have this. So here we have our packaging. It's so beautiful and I really love it. So I mean, look at this. This is the color choices is so unique and really beautiful, and you can choose from any one here which one is the best package. And trust me, I love both. They are so beautiful. To think that this was done by AI and you can just completely use this. I mean, this is so beautiful. Okay, so let's move on to the next. So the next is social media. Now that's what we are talking about. So imagine posting this on the socials. It's unique, it's beautiful. I mean, just look at this. The next is the brand mood board, sorry. So I'm just going to generate the mood boards now, which is the last thing we are going to do. So now we have the mood board here. Yeah, so this is it, guys. This is so beautiful, and that's the final step for our branding today. So imagine you're a graphics designer. This is just how much you can use AI for that graphics. And I'm sorry guys, I'm also a graphics designer, but the truth is, if you don't learn how to use AI, people who know how to use AI are going to be the one taking the jobs for you, not AI taking the job. So we have to incorporate both. You need creativity, and as well you need to use the digital tools available to you. So if you are really interested to learn more about AI, you can inbox me or just leave a comment below and I'm just going to get to you. Or if you want to learn more, you can always subscribe to this channel. I share tips about tech and how you can use it for your business growth. So please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video and leave a comment below. And any question you have, you can ask and I'll be sure to answer that. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed every step here. See you guys in my next video. Bye.